Hello, good day everyone. In this video, I quickly want to show you something very crucial. Um, I'll be showing you how you can fast track your thing and get it within 1 to 24 hours. And this is a guide video, so I want you to pay attention. I will not be sharing any specific detail of any customer, so you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end to be able to know how to go through with this. So before I show you how you can fast track your thing, this is the first thing you're going to be doing. We're going to see how you can create the JTB-Tin. So creating of JTB-Tin is quite a very simple process. Just come here and type in tin.jtb.gov.ng, tin.jtb.gov.ng, and once you go to that website, it's going to pop up something like this. So most time I always advise people to have their phone on the desktop mode, right? If you have it on the mobile mode, this is how it's going to look like. It's still not going to be a problem. And this is second option. Second option is that you can download the there's an app, right? There's an app you can download that will help you, but this link is not leading you to the app. So you can go to your Play Store to download the JTB app. It's one of the easiest ways to get it. JTB-Tin app. So this is the app. You download it, you install it, and then you open the app. So once you open the app up, you'll be able to see the different stuffs you can carry out on the JTB platform. You can do non-individual team registration. That's the first one, and these are the details you need to provide before you go ahead. You provide the organization's type. So for instance, let's say you want to do for a business name, registration number. You provide the registration number, and you also provide the registered business name, right? So I'm not going to be doing that. So once you do this, then the next page it takes you to, it will be a place where you can fill in the details of the business. So take note, wherever you see a red star on it, that means you need to fill that particular form. Like here now, you can see a blue a star on each of these different options that have been given. So that means they are important. Once you do that, you submit, and then to generate what is called the a code. That code is supposed to be a tracking code. That code you use to track the progress of registration. So it's important for fast tracking, right? Take note of that. So this is how you create team for individuals. So if you want to create a team for an individual, these are the details you need to provide for the person, and then you move ahead, right? And then if you want to visit the nearest tax office, here is an information on how you can get that. So your location will determine where you will be getting those options, right? So you allow for it to be able to direct you to where you can get access to all tax individuals. So now you've been able to create your tin number by now. So you notice that most time your tin number doesn't come to you as um it's supposed to, right? So you create it today, you wait for next 3 4 5 weeks sometimes before you get the tin number sent to you. So how do you get it processed in time? Getting it processed in time is very simple, right? So all you need to do is to send the all you need to do is very simple. There's a link that will be under this video that will help you to show you how that can be done very fast. So you click on the link to carry out the process. But meanwhile, how do you verify your thing, which is the most important, which is the most important part of this video? Team verification. You click on team verification. On team verification, it means that you have created your team number and you want to validate the essence of the thing. You want to be sure this thing is available. And for you to be able to know that the thing is available, that means the thing certificate and every other details will be showing up here. So you can see the details here. Instruction for the individual taxpayer. These are details you need to provide. For non-individual, these are details you need to provide. So you can screenshot this, or once you get to the app, you can do it yourself. All you need to provide here is the date of the incorporation of the company. So you put in the date that the company was registered. You put in this details you want to provide that will help show your connection to the business, right? These are the details you can provide for that. So and you also put in the value related to the details you have provided, and you select that you are not a robot, and then you submit. So it's quite simple and straightforward for you to be able to validate your and your what's it called now, validate your tin number. I hope this video is very helpful. So please do well to go through the instructions. So this video is more or less two in one. I've shown you how you can register a tin number with JTB by just using the app. You can see that. I can also use the, so that we can do it on your phone, or you use their website. You can use their website, or you can use the desktop mode, whichever one works for you. All right. And I'll also show you how you can fast track your thing. Just click on the link below. Thank you. See you in another video.